Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. Today I'm going to make a seafood noodles, but this is like a Filipino version. They call this Pancit Malabon. So this is my own version too. First time to cook this. So I have this crawfish, clams, mussels, also shrimps, hard-boiled egg, and this is fish flakes, and onions, also garlic, and I use that angel hair coleslaw. That is the cabbage, shredded cabbage, and also I use rice vermicelli noodles, and I have also chicharrons over there. And instead of pork, ground pork, I use turkey. Alright, so instead of saute, I use paprika and turmeric, and this is chicken powder. That way have taste. These are already pre-cooked, but half of it I'm going to cook it together with the ground turkey, and half of it we need to put it on top of the noodles when the noodles cook. Alright, I'll show you later. Okie dokie. Well, let's get started. So according to the package, we need to soak the noodles for 30 minutes before we boil it. So we're going to soak that for 30 minutes. So, not enough water. Anyway, we'll soak that one for 30 minutes and we'll boil it. You just follow the instructions in the package how to cook that noodle. Okay, while we're waiting to the noodles, we just, I will just like slice this one. And there's onions, we need to chop them. This is for garnish later. Some of the seafoods, we need to save some to garnish on top later for the noodles when it's cooked. And the egg, we cut the egg quarter. Like that. And the Chicharron, we need to flip this. Hold on. We just make a little hole. That way the oil will come out. That should be enough. Alright, the water is already boiling. So on my version, I use broth instead of water. That way, the noodles have already taste. Right? That makes sense. There you go. So we're gonna cook this for like 10 to 15 minutes, or until the noodle is completely cooked. There's no whites right here in the middle. Okay, I heat up the oil already. So we just saute the garlic until light brown. Ow! Ow! So we'll saute the ground turkey until like 5 to 10 minutes until it's completely cooked. And we'll add some of the seafoods here. We'll add all the spice. Pepper. And we'll add 1/4 cup of broth with it, or water. There, we'll add a little water in there. That way we have sauce for the noodles when we put it in here now. Just little, like 1/4 cup. And also that the ground turkey will cook. That simmer. Now we'll add, this one I put all on this one, very small. And also this, what's it called, this mussel. I just leave a little for garnish later. And also crawfish. Just leave like a little. The same on the shrimp. We'll put that some in that on top later. Then you adjust your sodium. Now we add the coleslaw. Just save a little for garnish. It's like a 1/4 cup. Just cook it like less than 2 minutes. Then we'll add the noodles. Now let's add the noodles. It's heavy. Oh, that's too much. You need to lower you. You need to lower your heat and mix them. It should be good now. We need to transfer this to the serving plate and arrange some of the remaining seafoods. And also the chicharron on top. I'm gonna save some here for myself because I don't eat chicharron. Alright. So now we're going to arrange them. First we're gonna spread some of the chicharron. I think I did not punch it so hard. I mean properly. Now we spread the fish flakes. Then the remaining shrimp. Then this is the crawfish. And the eggs. Then the coleslaw. That's it. This is my palabok. Alright everyone, here's my version of Pancit palabok. I hope you guys like it. And thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. And please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Okie dokes. God bless you all. See ya.